Oh, no way.
Ready? Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Nice haircut. Well done. We did the front end on last episode, and I can't help but just stare at this rear end and just think it's ugly. So we need to sort it out. All right, step one. We have a ladder. That roof rack is very high. It takes me some good acrobatic skill to get up there, so I want a ladder. There you go, ladder on. Next, this is what we got. It is a spare wheel carrier. So basically this bolts onto the cross member here and here, and the chassis supports the weight of the spare wheel because my wheels are really heavy. Because if you put them on the back, where the old one was, then it just bends the door. Now, we do have a problem, a slight issue. This is my cross member. So it's this big piece that goes here. This is typically what a Defender cross member looks like. They have a bunch of holes in them, and it means that you can drill through ladders and attach it. It means you can drill through and put bolts through spare wheel carriers. I don't have any holes in mine, so what I reckon someone's done is they've plated the cross member because the cross member is rusty. I'm gonna have to dig behind this, take the plate off and just see what's going on before we can attach this rear end stuff. I just directly knuckled a rivet. Nice little gouge out of my knuckle then. Big dent there. It's a bit caved in there, but it doesn't look rusty or destroyed. Done. Can now use a ladder to get on my roof. Happy days. Dreaded thing now is the spare wheel carrier, because it looks like a bit of a pain in the ass to fit. All right, first piece of the puzzle is this. This is the bottom bracket, goes on the cross member there. This is the reason why I needed to take off that plate, because there's 3 holes here and they line up with them. So let's crack on. We've got the bottom bracket on. It's loose, but all the bolts are in, the spaces are in. It was really fiddly. This is the top bracket. This goes here. All right, so we got these 2 holes here. These are currently like a 5mm, and they need to be 10.5. Cool. Bracket's done. This is the center plate, which conveniently lines up with all those holes. Then we got this little thing. He goes on there. So you got a little Teflon thing. Oh, nice. That looks mint. That looks very cool. I'm actually buzzing with how that looks. In a minute, we're gonna go down to Dan's and we're gonna put this in the booth and we're gonna paint this black, but I still think it looks a bit farmery. This was like the work spec, because it's got 2 doors instead of 4 doors, and this is all blank. Just looks quite like worker spec. So, what I've thought is, should I put windows in the back? Don't know if you can see that bar, that's like the structure. So it's about here, which means you can't put a window here. You've either got to put it there or there, and I don't know what it would look like. So I might just do a quick little Photoshop to make my mind up, and then if it looks good, we'll order some windows. All right, so I've got this image, which is pretty much the only side-on image I have. We'll get these windows, and basically, I'm just gonna Photoshop these windows onto this. Give me 2 secs. I'm gonna Photoshop this up and see what it looks like. I reckon that could actually look pretty cool. Yeah, let's order it. Let's order some windows. And then we're gonna paint that black and then I'll fit some windows when they arrive next episode. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked with that. That's gonna look very cool. All right, whilst I'm here, I thought this is a pretty good chance to show you this laptop and our sponsor for today's video, which is Acer and AMD. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. As you can see, this laptop is awesome, does everything. So like I said, this is the Acer Nitro 5. The processor in this is a Ryzen 7. I run Ryzens in all my computers, but this one is a 5000 series mobile CPU. Basically, it just means it's super compact, fits in a laptop, but it still shreds and stays really cool. The other thing it's got is an NVIDIA RTX 3070, which, if you know computers, is a pretty good card. To be in a laptop as well is nuts. It means I can edit, I can render, it means I can do Photoshop, I can do everything, I can game on it, and it'll just handle it. It's even got RGB keyboard, so it's backlit, which is handy when you are doing stuff at night. All right, if you are in the market for a new laptop, then I highly recommend checking out the Acer and AMD range. Obviously they do slightly less beefed up ones if you just want to browse the internet and do small stuff, but this is the full balls out one. It will do gaming, it will do editing, it will do everything you throw at it. Grab this laptop, I don't know why I'm just throwing it around like this. There's a link in the description down there. Click on that, check out the Acer AMD range, and thank you guys for sponsoring this video and for my lovely laptop, I love it. Let's head down to Dan's place, MWG, and we are gonna get the roof in the booth so we can paint it and it'll look much better. Let's go. Hello, Dan.
Hello.
What are we doing then?
Tonight shenanigans. So, we need to finally match this
It looks
to
terrible.
this. It does.
What have we got?
We're going for cans.
Basically, I bought this a while ago. If I'd have known I was doing it here, where you've got airline, I'd have probably just bought the good stuff.
Yeah, but see, I've only used the Schultz guns,
Yeah.
but it's going to make it easier, isn't it? It's way less messy.
Yeah, true.
But we are still, well, I think, are we taking the roof off?
Yeah.
We are, aren't we? This should be fairly straightforward, shouldn't it? Because, like, Raptor hides everything, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
it should literally be roof off, a quick blast over the DA.
I mean, we got some dents, but I'm not even going to bother because I'm going to put more dents in it anyway.
Yeah.
And yeah, the Raptor might cover it up.
Raptor will hide loads of this.
Yeah.
That's what it does, isn't it?
We're going to start unbolting the roof. I think it's literally going to be like 8 bolts. You can see them, there's like one there, one there. We'll try and lift the whole roof off and then put the roof in the booth. Get it black.
And then start sanding.
Yeah, nice. Right, let's crack on.
Sweet, let's do it.
No way.
I'm gonna get it.
Go on then. Ready? Yeah.
Lower it down, Jack.
Right, let's do a lap. We gotta do a lap in this. Imagine we're in Africa on safari right now. I want a convertible.
It's a nice breeze, I'll be honest.
That's it, we're getting pulled.
See yourself!
That's cool though.
Yeah, that is cool.
What is that?
That's been here for that's been here since I've been here. This is alright, this.
Yeah. Imagine going at like 80 on the motorway though.
Yeah. Probably best leaving it outside, but for now
Yeah.
so we can sort the roof stuff.
This is actually...
It's so good, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks annoyingly good. I forgot the giveaway, again. I always do that. This is the winner from last week. This week I'm gonna give away one of these. These are our ultimate air freshener pack. There is 8 air fresheners in here. They smell really good. We got mango, we got strawberry, we got peach, watermelon, all sorts. If you want to win one of these, all you got to do is drop a comment down below. I want you to comment your favorite pasta dish and or curry dish. I want to know what pasta you're eating. Comment down below your favorite pasta and or curry and you'll win one of these.
Right, this is the point where we can't lower it anymore.
So you find that?
Yeah. Ooh, we can tilt down now, Jack.
We are in the booth. We've just done a little test patch with the DA and it's working nice. So this should be pretty easy. Are we going for it then, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Holy shit!
That's too thick.
That's so aggressive.
Yeah, like that, yeah?
Yeah. This camera doesn't belong in a paint booth, so we're going to switch to the GoPro. We're done. It's black. It looks good. What temperature are you going to bake at?
About 50.
50. 220 in the oven, is it? Dan's going to set the oven to bake. We'll check back in when it's dry. 50 degrees. And it's hot in there. It looks better in real life than it does on camera, but we'll have a look at it tomorrow in the daylight. Because under LEDs it looks quite harsh. Bear in mind we did do it with spray cans and the spray cans ran out. We didn't have enough spray cans. Dan said I should have done it with the airline and proper paint, which I should have. But you live and learn. Still looks better than gloss blue, so. Here we are, the finished product. Last night we were panicking a little bit and we thought we didn't get enough coverage and we thought the cans didn't get very far, which they didn't, to be fair, but now it's all dried. It actually looks pretty good. If we'd have done it again, I definitely wish we had a bit more paint because that Raptor stuff in a can just goes so quick, but I'm very happy with that. Now all I've got to do is sort the roof rack out because that's really chipped, so I need to paint that. The rear is looking very cool. It's looking a lot less basic. I don't know if you saw, but I made a little Defender sticker. That looks cool. It kind of like adds a little bit extra. Normally I'm one for like simplicity, but I think Defenders just need as much stuff going on as possible. I don't know why. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I am pretty stoked on that. Drop a comment down below and you'll win one of the air freshener packs. And I'm really tired. We didn't get much sleep last night, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying the Defender stuff. Let me know. But yeah, other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.